Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have ZTE Blade A54 and I want to show you how to take a screenshot on this device. To do that, in the first step you must open application which support it. It can be Google Chrome settings, something would have more information than you have on the one side of screen, where you can scroll something. Where we are in it, we press volume down and power key together at the same time as to make normal screenshot. And after that we press on capture screen, scroll, and there it is scrolling. When we tap, we stop scrolling. We must do that when we have all we need, maybe now, and click done to confirm it. And that's all. We have our long screenshot. To save it in our gallery, we press this icon on the right corner. Thanks for watching, bye!